Hello everyone and welcome to the Literacy Center Maths tutorial. This is Meghna and today we are taking a next part in fractions, and today we are going to talk about how to subtract fractions. So let's dive in. In the previous tutorial we learned how to add fractions with a common denominator. It works the same way for subtracting from fractions. In order to subtract fractions, the denominators must be same. They must have a common denominator. And what is common denominator? Just take a little bit of revision for that one. The denominator of a fraction is the number on the bottom. When we say that fractions have a common denominator, it means they have the same number on the bottom. Do you remember this? 4 by 5 and 2 by 5. You can see we have a same bottom number. The same bottom number is called common denominator. Let's see this example here. 7 by 8 minus 2 by 8. So here you can see the number 8, which is shown in red. Both the bottom numbers in both the fractions are same. So that's what we call common denominator. Let's see some example to understand how we subtract fractions. Nick was at a party and saw a pizza divided into 8 equal parts or slices. By the time he got to the food table, only 7 slices of pizza were there. If Nick ate 2 of those slices, then what part of the pizza was left for other guests to eat? So in this question, we need to find the difference between 7/8 and 2/8. The denominator of the fraction names the unit. The numerator indicates how many there are. So in a mathematical expression, we can write it down as 7 by 8 minus 2 by 8. So here, because the bottom number or denominator is same, so we have a common denominator here. So we can directly subtract 2 from 7 and we will get our answer 5/8. So we can say the 5/8 of the pizza was left for other guests to eat. So what do we understand by this example here? To subtract two or more fractions that have the same denominator or same bottom number, we can subtract the numerators and place the resulting difference over the common denominator. And we can simplify the result if necessary. So here, 7 by 8 minus 2 by 8, we simply subtract the numerator, take away 2 from the 7, that will be 5. So our answer is 5 by 8. What we do to subtract unlike fractions? So until now we saw the example where bottom number or denominators were same. We call them like fractions. So similar to adding unlike fractions, we follow the same rule to subtract unlike fractions. Let's see how we do it. We would follow the steps to subtract unlike fractions. For to do so, find the least common multiple of the denominator. Then change the denominator to the least common multiple by multiplying the numerator and denominator by the same number. Once the fraction have the same denominator, subtract the numerator of the fractions. And the difference between the numerator and the least common multiple will be the numerator and the denominator of the answer respectively. And we can simplify our result if required. Let's see this example here where we are unlike fractions. So here we need to subtract 2 by 3 minus 1 by 4. So here you can see the bottom number or denominators are different. So what we call unlike fractions. So first thing we need to do here is find a least common multiple, right? Finding a least common multiple, we can just change this fractions to common denominator. When we do it, we find the number 8 by 12 and 3 by 12 by finding a least common multiple. When we have a same bottom number or common denominator, we can simplify, subtract the numerator. So what we're gonna do is, we are taking out 3 from 8. We got the answer 5 by 12. So here, this would be our answer. So if you have any questions or if you need any help, you can text us or you can email us and we will get back to you. Thank you.